Is she live? She said, I streaming. Where's my fucking keyboard? Don't worry, guys. I got this. Watch as I type. Hey. It's... Dude, I'm gonna cry. Why does it look? I'm like this. I'm like, hey, it's me by the... This is... Guys, please. Please don't make me do this shit anymore. Please don't make me... I'm so embarrassed. I can change that. How does this make you feel? You're beneath me now. Hey, little guy. Okay. I don't know if that was a little ploy. Rainhoe? 어디에 있어? 어디에 있어? Where's she at? Oh, she... Oh, Jesus, fuck! She appeared right behind me. Oh my god, you... Hey!
Oh my god, you're so cute!
Oh, look at your face! Look at your face! I have OBS like right on your face.
The beauty of VR chat. Wow. Are you real?
Okay, hey, my eyes are up here. I don't know if... Hey, my eyes are like... My eyes are all the way...
Hi.
Why are you waving at my boobs? This is...
no.
Girl! Hey!
Hey!
Dude, this is weird. I feel like I haven't seen this model since we were at Phillians.
Oh my god, this is old as fuck. I just wanted to use it because it's so cute.
That was what we used for the Phillian stream, right?
I think so.
Guys, look, it's Rain!
But my nose.
Boop. Oh. What do you think this... Do you think I'm giving cat girl right now?
Very much. Oh, you don't gotta... Maybe your boobs do it.
Oh my god, bro. She's...
Awkward.
Oh. This is when I first met you. Oh my god. Oh my goodness god. She's like right in my business, bros. Hello! Hello! Oh my god! Right.
Hi!
Hi. Oh, wait. Is it working? I see your insides. Oh.
Oh.
Hi. Oh my god, my boobs really jiggle, don't they?
They really...
Oh my god.
Like, damn!
Dude, I went to the Korean spa yesterday and my mom wanted a body scrub for her birthday. So I got us both one and it was like the 1 hour one. So it's like they're scrubbing your body naked, right? I was like laying like this and this was like the first time my boobs got massaged, bro. She was like waterboarding my titties.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Look at your ears. They move so much.
Meow, meow, meow.
I can literally grab your tail.
Okay,
Pulls it.
oh my god, wait, you can actually, oh my gosh.
Over this way.
Wait, I was just playing, hey, guys,
My baby.
she's looking at me, isn't she?
Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop. Say ah. Steps on you. In the floor you go.
Edge.
And stay down there. Unzips pants.
Oh my god!
On you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, we're done with this bitch. We're done.